Yeah. Now, here comes class 4 to put the stage on fire by their rocking dance presentation.
Dear audience, please give them a happy welcome with your gracious hands.
दिल ये बेचैन वे रस्ते पे नैन
beautiful performance. Give them a big round of applause.
Hey Shashanka, are you dancing for that Kerala's famous Be Free song?
Yes, I'm dancing for that song.
Oh, you touched with Kathak too. Let's invite 6th and 7th Bayop Kerala Kutis to make this stage cool with their presence.
சிக்கி தவிக்கிது மாலட்டம் மஞ்சளட்டம் மாத்து அடிக்க மங்களட்டம் கோலட்டம் முதுகிட்டம் ஓங்கி கட்டிக்கும் முக்கிகட்டம் மாலட்டம் மஞ்சளட்டம் மாத்து அடிக்க மங்களட்டம் கோலட்டம் முதுகிட்டம் ஓங்கி கட்டிக்கும் முக்கிகட்டம் மத்தளட்டம் டம் மத்தளட்டம் டம்
டிப்படப்பம் டிப்பம் டப்பம் டிபகடப்பம் டிப்பம் டிபட டிப்படப்பம் டிப்பம் டப்பம் டிபகடப்பம் டிபட டிப்பட டிப்படப்பம் டிப்பம் டப்பம் டிபகடப்பம் டிப்பம் டிபட டிப்படப்பம் டிப்பம் டப்பம் டிபகடப்பம் டிபட டிப்பட அம்சமா அழகா ஒரு பொண்ண பார்த்தேன் உடனே பஞ்சரான ஆமாப்பா அம்சமா அழகா ஒரு பொண்ண பார்த்தேன் உடனே பஞ்சரான அது கண்ணா இல்ல கரண்டா கன்ஃபியூசன் அவ அழக பத்தி பாட இல்ல எச்சிருக்கே
அதுக்கு ஒரு அடிய போட்டு விடுவோம்
அப்படின்ற
To remove obstacles and as preserver of exhaustive knowledge, we welcome class 3 with Ganesh theme to showcase their dance performance.
हाँ तेरे ही आने से और सुंदर ये सृष्टि होती, हाँ तेरे ही आने से मोरया मोरया। गणपति बप्पा ऊर्जावासी के अंधेरे कोने में जो दानव छुपा है मोरया, उसमें ही जय हो तो दिग्विजय हो तेरी तरह मोरया। गणपति बप्पा ऊर्जावासी लाख कोई धमकारे, हम तेरी राहों पे चलते, हम नहीं रुकने वाले। मेरा देवा देवों का देवता, माता देवा देवों का देवता, मेरे रुकने ना करके झुकने ना देना। जय बोलो गणेश महाराज के शंकर जी का बेटा गाड़ी में बैठा, उसको ना पाटा अर्धांगाटा। शंकर जी का बेटा गाड़ी में बैठा, उसको ना पाटा अर्धांगाटा। पोरला कशी मीटिंग పెట్టినా, కట్టల్ కట్టల్ చందాలచి ఉండి లేచినా, బాల్ కనేసి మండపంతా కూసబెట్టినా। మా గల్లీ का गणेश रो गणपति पप्पा मोरिया, पूरे मिलके बोलो रे गणपति पप्पा मोरिया। गली का गणेश, अरे माँ गली का गणेश रो गणपति पप्पा मोरिया। गली का गणेश मोरिया। गणपति पप्पा मोरिया।
బిడ్డ అంత లేదు సప్పుడు జర గట్టిగా చేయమను.
అరే తీసి పక్కన పెట్టండి రా తీన్ మారు మా చిచ్చా వచ్చిండు ఎట్లుండాలి కొట్టరా కొట్టు సౌమారు పక్కన పెట్టు నువ్వు తీన్ మహారు మా చిచ్చా వచ్చే కొట్టరా కొట్టు సౌమారు
For your spectacular performance. Give them a huge round of applause.
తెరపై ప్రకాశం ఒక ప్రవాహం ఒక
తీలోన హాయిని బయట వేయి లోపలోడిని దాచుకోకు ఇంక దేనిని కోలేని పని దొంగి చూడు కింద నింగిని గాలికే కొత్త రంగుని నిన్న నింక నేడు మింగని దాంతో ఏం పని ఒక షాట్లో ఉత్సాహమే ఒక షాట్లో ఉల్లాసమే ఒక షాట్లో క్రోషమే ప్రతి షాట్ లోపలే ఓడిఎం హీటు ఈడిఎం లో బీటు రేడియం లో లైటు పాడిలో ఇటు అటు
ये गोली सोडा वे ये करी कोळंबे वो कुट्टी पप्पी ना take me
ये सिल्क सत्तर नी वेट कट्टर लव सोटर सोटर टॉप मी
hey my dear मचा ये मनस वचा मोर सिकला
मडी रानी ड्रीम लवानी ना सरा
Babies, you rock the stage. Thank you for your soulful performance.
Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a kind attention our chief guest, Mr. Srinivas Rao Garu, on the occasion. Thank you so much, sir, for your arrival.
I'm delighted to propel a warm welcome towards visionary reader and our guiding force, our principal, Mrs. Anupama Labani, with great respect and enthusiasm. She makes everyone feel energized, just like flash fragrance that freshen up the complete surrounding. We welcome treasure of knowledge to grace the dais with her charismatic presence to deliver the annual day report. Ma'am, we welcome you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
A flower doesn't compete with others, it simply blooms. Similarly, it's the change we embrace that helps us grow and shine. Today, we gather to celebrate another year of achievements, growth, and learning. We reflect on the courage, perseverance, and dedication that have brought us to this moment. Each step in this journey has strengthened our resolution to provide the best possible education and opportunities to our children. On this graceful evening, I extend my heartfelt gratitude in welcoming each and every one of you on our 14th Annual Day celebrations, Zoom 2024 of Bhashyam School at R.K. Puram. I am privileged to welcome our Chief Guest, Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. C.H. Srinivas Rao Garu, our esteemed CEO, Dr. Chaitanya Garu, our Honorable ZDO, Mr. Ankamarao Sir Garu, and distinguished dignitaries, respected parents, dedicated teachers, my co-staff, and lovely students. It is indeed my honor to present you the consistent upward trajectory of our school's achievements, made possible by the unwavering support of all stakeholders in this glorious journey. Our school stands a beacon of leadership, vision, commitment, and discipline. Looking back at our journey of serving the noble cause of education, we deeply thank our founder, Mr. Bhashyam Ramakrishna Garu, whose visionary leadership lit the torch of knowledge 31 years ago in Guntur in 1993 with just 186 students. Today, with your trust and support, Bhashyam schools have grown to numerous branches across Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Karnataka, making education accessible to thousands of young minds. This year marks the successful completion of 31 years of excellence, which we proudly celebrate with the quote, "We are one and we have won." Adding to this joy is our entry into the Guinness Book of World Records for hosting the largest alumni meet with 4,263 students from a single branch, a true testament to the bond our students share with Bhashyam. Bhashyam also has started up with a good number of CBSE branches at different places of the twin cities. This could happen with all the support and the trust that you parents have on us. All this credit goes to none other than the parents. Bhashyam also, it is with immense pride and joy to announce our new managing director, someone who is deeply connected to the vision and legacy of Bhashyam institutions. Born and raised in a family dedicated to education and excellence, he has absorbed the values, vision, and the passion that have made Bhashyam institutions a pillar of learning. He is none other than young and dynamic Mr. Bhashyam Saketram, the son of our beloved chairman sir. The surname itself reflects their deep connection to education. Let us extend our heartfelt congratulations and best wishes to Mr. Bhashyam Saketram as he embarks on this new role as our managing director. We look forward to his guidance and leadership in shaping the future of Bhashyam institutions. Education is the passport to the future. Tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. Our students continue to shine in academics. This year, we achieved 100% of pass percentage in class 10th with an impressive number of A1s and A2s. These achievements reflect the dedication of our teachers, the encouragement of parents, and the hard work of our students. Implementing the NEP is challenging but vital for student and institutional growth. It fosters curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking, aligning education with 21st century skills. By incorporating interactive activities, puzzles, and technology, learning becomes engaging, practical, and relevant to the present generation. The policy promotes a shared understanding among stakeholders and sets benchmarks for teaching, learning, and assessment nationwide. This approach enhances knowledge, problem-solving skills, and real-life applicability, preparing students to meet modern challenges effectively. Additionally, we have taken several steps to ensure academic excellence, personalized coaching, special coaching classes, and counseling for board examinees, digital learning, introduction of online worksheets and practice material through the Bhashyam mobile app, competitive exam preparation. Students participated in exams such as IMO, IEO, NSO, Disha Olympiad, Ramanujam test, talent test, and SAT to prepare for the competitive world. Sports and physical education. To be great champion, we must believe you are the best. If you are not, keep trying. Sports play an integral role in the holistic development of our students. In addition to regular games, this year we introduced BPL Cricket League conducted for juniors and senior levels, culminating in an exciting final in Guntur. Also, students participated in various inter-school tournaments and secured notable victories. We continue to emphasize physical fitness through structured physical education programs, traditional and modern games, and skill development sessions for PE teachers. And I also gladly announce that before 2 days, we have been through BPL. So RK Puram has won first place, and it's time for everyone to applaud for this great success. Thank you, everyone. Schoolhouse system. At Bhashyam, our house system plays a crucial role in shaping the overall development of students, fostering teamwork, leadership, and a spirit of healthy competition. The school is divided into 3 dynamic houses: aviators, marines, and trackers. Each house is guided by a house mentor, house captain, and house leaders, ensuring a supportive and motivating environment for all students. This year, a wide range of activities were conducted under the house system to engage students and develop their skills. Some of the key activities included self-introduction, helping students build confidence in speaking and presenting themselves. Emoji expressions, a creative activity to express emotions through emojis, promoting emotional intelligence and communication skills. Jam, just a minute, enhancing spontaneity, confidence, and public speaking abilities. Math Maze, a fun and challenging activity designed to stimulate critical thinking and problem solving in mathematics. Spell Bee, word search and quiz encouraging knowledge retention, vocabulary expansion, and general awareness. Act Play, fostering creativity and teamwork through role play and performances. Charm students are involved in different slot activities like self-intro, sidewalk challenge, spell bee, charms, Champs Mini Movie Makers, and many more. These activities not only enhance academic learning but also contribute to the overall personality development of students, helping them become well-rounded individuals. Co-curricular activities, achievements. The mind is not a vessel to be filled, but a fire to be kindled. At Bhashyam, we believe that co-curricular activities are essential for nurturing creativity, critical thinking, and social skills in our students. This year, our students enthusiastically participated and yet to participate in a variety of events that enriched their learning experience. Edu Carnival and Science Exhibition, platforms to showcase their creativity and innovation. Field trips and picnics, offering hands-on learning opportunities beyond the classroom. We arranged a field trip to Tribal Museum and picnic to Wonderla. There are dance and karate classes to relax, flex, and improve concentration levels. We are following with an award a month, like issuing badges to develop the children in all aspects like creativity, creative head, Miss or Master Perfect for discipline, and penmanship for best handwriting, best communicator, spoken English, and walk it all-rounder. Cultural events celebrating milestones like Freshers' Day, Teachers' Day, and Children's Day, which are fostered community spirit and strengthened interpersonal bonds. Recognizing the importance of life skills, we introduced several programs this year to enhance our students' soft skills. One notable initiative was the Propel Stage, where students were encouraged to practice self-introduction, public speaking, and effective communication in front of audience. The TechQuest online computer competition is an exciting platform for that brings together bright minds using technology. These activities not only contribute to the holistic development of our students, but also teach them the importance of teamwork, leadership, and resilience. And next, coming to pre-primary activities. Our kindergarteners enjoy special celebration days like Color Days, Yoga Day, Fruit Day, Rainy Day, Doctor's Day, and Grandparents' Day, fostering awareness and joy. One highlight is Movie Time Day, which the Tiny Tots thoroughly enjoyed. We also celebrate national festivals to instill a sense of patriotism among students. New initiatives. This year, we introduced several innovative programs to further enhance the learning experience and holistic development of our students. Lucida Handwriting Program. A child's handwriting is the first chapter of their success. Handwriting isn't just about letters. It's about discipline, patience, and precision. We focused specially on Lucida handwriting by taking calligraphy classes to improve their handwriting. Neat handwriting today, a world of opportunities tomorrow. So we all together help them to write well. Cognitive Activity Program, which is CAP. This program was introduced to make child capable of verbal communication, empowering them from learners to masters. Application of analytical reasoning to real-world scenario. A foundation for a lifelong curiosity and appreciation. Echo English in English. Echo English is a program we introduced to enhance communication and comprehension skills among students. It focuses on improving the overall language proficiency, enabling students to articulate their thoughts effectively and confidently. Gratitude in Social Studies. The Gratitude program in Social Studies focused on instilling empathy, teamwork, and social responsibility among students. As a part of the initiative, students wrote heartfelt gratitude letters for their parents, expressing appreciation for their love and support, which fostered a deeper connection and sense of responsibility. Triply, explanation, experiment, and experience in physics, encouraging hands-on learning of physics concepts and applying them to daily life with experiments and gaining experience. Math Maze in mathematics. The upcoming Math Maze in mathematics will challenge students in exciting puzzles and problem-solving tasks, encouraging them to think critically and apply mathematical concepts in creative ways. Triply in biology. Triply, explanation, experiment, and experience program in biology will engage students in hands-on experiments and real-life applications of biological concepts, enhancing their understanding through interactive learning and exploration. Grammar proficiency assessment, GPA, conducting monthly to improve students' English grammar skills. Chapter assessment tests in mathematics focused on detailed evaluations to identify and address learning gaps. Infrastructure development. This year, we upgraded our infrastructure to provide a better learning environment. New facilities include math and science labs, upgraded equipment to support practical learning, staff development. Our teachers attended various workshops and training sessions to stay updated with modern pedagogy practices. Their commitment to continuous learning ensures our students to receive the best education possible. Looking ahead, as we celebrate our accomplishments, we remain focused on future goals. We aim to introduce career guidance programs for senior students to help them make informed decisions. And conclusion, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. On this memorable occasion, as we reflect on our achievements, we take pride in the journey that brought us here and remained committed to scaling greater heights in these years to come. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our management, staff, and parents and students for their collective efforts, dedication, and trust. Together, we continue to inspire young minds, nurture their dreams, and prepare them to shine brightly in a world full of opportunities. Let us promise to keep moving forward, holding hands as one family with the shared goal of creating a brighter and better tomorrow. Thank you. Jai Hind.